What's up, everybody? Forest Dweller here, and we're here on night, I believe 6 at this point, working on the range. We're building a range from scratch using pretty much only dirt that's on the property or brought to the property by friends. Using all this wood that used to be right in this pile. There you go, right in that pile, but now is back on those walls, as well as some wood that was in one of my barns that is getting ripped apart. So we're doing a range build for under $200, and so far it's going swimmingly. I believe we are about $130 as a total, outside of beer and coffee and tobacco. So, you know, all the things the ATF loves. Now tonight we are going to be hanging out and we're going to be working on a few things. This has been a process in learning. So this is what we did last time. We added all of this. Well, funny enough, a good buddy said, hey, I have some extra dirt if you want it, and from a project, and so he brought it over. So we have an extra, probably handful of tons of dirt here. So now we don't need to do all that. So in typical Forest Dweller fashion, we're gonna undo what we did for probably the third or fourth time at this point. But the good news is it's coming along. So we're gonna pitch all of that back behind the berm from the walls. Then we're going to build the middle in the back, and we're going to build the middle in the front at least a half, because we have a tractor coming. It's actually in my yard right now, and we're gonna dump all that dirt in there. Now tonight, I've got my TD jacket on because I love this thing. I've got the forward old Bald Bros hat, and we've got a buddy here that has a broken arm and can't come on camera because he doesn't have a mask. But we have his Zenith MP5. So he's got a 551 on there, a good old, I believe it's a Dead Air or something. What is it? All right, doesn't matter. A G2S on there, and we've got the classic double mag for all the fun. Now, from here, we are just going to get, using some pitchforks and shoveling a lot. I'll be shooting this shit with my buddy, and we're just gonna get started. So let's get after it. All right, well, that took 1/8 of the time that it did last time because it wasn't soaking wet. So there we go, that's all removed, and it's back there where it now belongs. So now what we need to do next is we need to build that wall. That one. I don't care about the other one, that one. Anyways, we are smoking a Peterson Rand. I love these pipes. They're freaking tanks. This thing has been going for God knows how long, probably easily 10 years, and still kicking ass. We've got some tin cup, what's left of it, Kirkland beer. Y'all haven't tried this? Incredible. In the pipe, we've got some really old rum and maple from Tobacco Galleria, which is a Sutliff bag. I mean, this is probably, I'm guessing 10 years old or so. Now that's done, let's build a wall, build another wall, and then call it a night, because I'm tired. All right, well, let's get after it. All right, y'all, night 6 done. We'll see how quickly it actually finishes, but as you can see, it ain't pretty. But look, in the back there, we got our middle wall. We made it work. It's gonna be just fine. We're still gonna have 4.5+ feet of dirt, so it's gonna be plenty to stop most anything. This is pretty much gonna be a pistol and a 22 range. So not worried about just about anything. Now you can see here's our back walls. Here's the very back, middle, and here's our other two walls. So this is pretty much near the completion. So what we're gonna do is the next night we're out here, likely tomorrow night is, I say we, it's me at the moment. The boys are in on it, but I'm really doing all the work right now. So last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna build this wall at least a half, probably 3/4. And then we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna dump dirt in there. From there, we will get it to even out, go across the entire thing, close the sides as well, and then we shall have a range. We'll finish those top few boards and be done. So yeah, good night. We're gonna get some more work done here this week, and we'll see, maybe in the next week or so, we will have ourselves a range and be shooting out on this thing. So stay tuned. Again, still getting this for under $200. So here's hoping it works. Got a couple trees to take down, a few other things, but should be a blast. We'll see you on the next one. Thanks for tuning in. Forest Dweller out.